Hey guys, people ask me a lot of times, what do you do for fun, Mr. Tubbs? Well, let me tell you, Ventrac, baby. These things are tough, and I love riding them even when I'm not at work. Hey guys, it's warm here in Northwest Louisiana, our hometown, and we are about to take our Ventracs out and prep our woods for white-tailed deer hunting. That is a big part of our lives in the wintertime. But now that it's pre-deer season, we're going to go out and we're going to take a couple of pieces out and show you what Ventrac can do for you in the deer woods. Of course, all of you know what Ventrac can do for you with the tough cut mowers. If you follow Ventrac, their number one attachment, the number one thing that we rent and sell to people in our community is the tough cut attachment. But what we're going to show you today is the aeration system with a cedar attachment on the top of it. We're going to go out there. We've taken a power rake and we have power raked our food plots, and we're about to go out there now and show you how we overseed with the aerator. And then one of my favorite attachments is our boom mower. I've got some places out there that need to be trimmed. We're going to take the boom mower out there and just go through it, no problem whatsoever. So y'all follow along and let's get ready for deer season. Here at our first food plot, and we're going to put out some mean bean, which is basically soybean. And just for fun, we got a little extra ryegrass. Just going to put a little ryegrass in here as well. Save some more for the next one. boom mower. Guys, I'm up in age now. I'm truly the senior citizen of the group. And nothing will exhaust you more than trimming your shooting lanes. And with the boom mower, it just makes it fun. I mean, you can go along here and boom all this stuff down and then come back and cut it with your tough cut, and it just turns into powder and goes away. This is an attachment that it is great for doing what we're showing you here. But if you have any retention ponds, any levees, ditch banks that this thing articulates and even goes out into the water a little bit, it's amazing. And the man labor it saves is just tremendous. Guys, that's what I'm talking about. That's how old man can trim up the deer woods. No problem whatsoever. Ventrac. I highly recommend them. We sell them at our city and country store. We pride ourselves in being one of the best Ventrac dealers in the country. If we're not there yet, we're striving to be. Y'all come see us at Tubbs. And remember, may God bless the USA.